morning, students. In the today's class, I am going to discuss 5 important rules on subject-verb agreement. The first rule: distances, weights, or amounts are treated as singular, so the verb attached is also singular. See the examples here. 500 rupees is not much money these days. 100 kilometers distance, this is distance, is a very long distance. 4 kilograms of chicken is enough for the party. So hope you could understand the rule. Whether it is a distance or weight or amounts, even the currency, they are always treated as singular. See the second rule: collective nouns such as group, herd, team are considered singular when taken as one body, and then at that time the verb attached to them is also singular. But when the members of the group are considered individually, then they are considered plural, so that at that time the verb attached should also be plural. If you see this example, you can easily understand. The team is painting a mural. Here, the team is collectively painting, so the verb is singular. See the second example: the team are in disagreement how to paint the plural. Why here it is plural verb are? Because the people on the team are disagreeing with one another. So that is the reason here the verb is plural. See the other examples. The committee. Here the committee is as a single group, is not resolved upon this reform. Similarly, the team of players is ready for a match. See the third rule: there are few nouns like scissors, glasses, trousers. They are always considered plural, and the verb attached along is also plural. See the example here: scissors. This particular subject, scissors, noun, will exist always in plural, so the verb is also plural. But if the same subject, if it is attached with a pair of scissors, then definitely it is going to take a singular verb is. See here, a pair of jeans, then it will take is, a singular verb. If there is only jeans, then it will take only the plural verb are. See here, I lost a pair of glasses. The scissors are sharp, because here scissors is not with a pair of. So here it has taken a plural verb are. Now see the other rule, the next rule: if two or more subjects in a sentence, when they are joined by the words like are, nor, either or, neither nor, not only and but also, then the verb is chosen according to the subject nearest to the verb. See in the examples here: either he or I am going to face the consequences. Neither you nor she. Here the nearest subject is in singular, so the verb is also singular. Either she, the next example, either she or I am to do it. The nearest subject is in singular. Now see the fourth example: neither the owner nor his sons. See here the nearest subject to the verb is in plural, so it has taken the plural verb come. See the last example, not only she, but also her son. Here the nearest subject to the verb is in singular. So it has taken a singular verb, has gone to London. And the next rule, the word none will take a verb according to the sense of the sentence. See here, none, it can be singular or plural. It only depends upon the sentence. None of us is interested in watching the movie. Here it is singular because here the sense is not one of us. Similarly, see the second example. None of the scientists know what happened. Here the sense is not any, is the plural of the group. See the examples so that you can easily understand. None of the gossip was about me. The second example, none of the students were in the class. 3 people were on the panel. None of them were women. Thank you, students. Thank you for attending the class.